Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 lock screen to login screen delay issue. First method is click Start, Settings, Personalization, click Lock Screen. Turn off Show the lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen. Second method is type performance in Windows search bar, click Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Check Adjust for best performance, click Apply, click OK, restart system. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Create new key named as personalization under Windows. Create new D-word 32-bit value named as lock screen. Change value data to 1, close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.